Our next stop is Captain Fish's Cruises in Boothbay, and we'll be going on the harbor cruise. We just passed the Catholic church that John F. Kennedy attended while he was president. Those over there are lobster traps, and the reason why they're all different colors is so that the lobster people can identify which ones is theirs. It looks really eerie with all the fog. The visibility's not that much, but that kind of adds to the experience of us being in Maine, because we don't really have this back at home, or at least we've never been on a boat when it's in this weather, so it's pretty cool. You know what else is cool? It's the 4th of July. Las Vegas is probably like 110 degrees right now, and here it's nice and chilly. There's a lighthouse up there. This lighthouse was built in 1883. That's really old. I checked Google Maps, it's called the Ram Island Lighthouse. Also, look at up there, the visibility is just getting less and less, and it's getting cooler and creepier.
We call them the seal rocks because it is a...
There's so many harbor seals there, just chilling. This lighthouse is almost as old as the state of Maine. Also, it beeps every 10 seconds. They're gonna catch a lobster to show us. Here are some lobster facts that we learned. First of all, if you're a resident of Maine, you can have 5 traps for your personal use. Just imagine all those daily lobsters for dinner. And that was Captain Fish's cruise.
My favorite part was seeing all the lobsters.
We couldn't have chosen a better weather day for this because I loved the fog. I loved seeing the islands with the mist and those houses, and seeing the harbor seals and the lobster catch was great too.